Since 2009, SK IMPEX has been a trusted manufacturer and exporter of premium quality knitted t-shirts and sweaters. The company is located in Ahmedabad, Gujarat, right at the heart of India's textile strength. Over the years, we've grown into a recognized name in exclusive fashion knitwear, known globally for our superior designs and exceptional quality. From high-volume production to custom-knitted menswear, womenswear and kidswear t-shirts and sweaters, we manufacture products that meet your standards and represent your brand with pride. It all begins with carefully sourced yarn, selected for strength, softness and durability of t-shirts and sweaters. Using advanced software, our design team creates detailed patterns and tech packs to ensure accuracy and consistency from the making of very first cut of fabric. The carefully selected yarn is processed in-house through automated knitting machines, where we maintain strict standards for stability, texture and uniformity. All our flat knitting machines are purpose-built for seamless t-shirt and sweaters production. Equipped with advanced needle control and high-speed performance, they are sourced from renowned knitting machine manufacturers around the world and ensure perfect shaping, smooth textures and consistent quality every time. The fabric is cut and stitched by trained operators who follow precise seam and thread standards, ensuring each piece holds its shape and finish. After stitching, garments are trimmed to remove loose threads and surface imperfections, preparing them for finishing. Each batch is washed according to fabric type to preserve softness, control shrinkage, and maintain color integrity. Ironing or steam pressing is done in a controlled environment, delivering a crisp, uniform finish across all pieces. Labels like brand, care, and size are added as per buyer requirements to meet global retail standards. Each garment is carefully inspected. Pieces that don't meet our standards are removed to ensure only good quality garments move forward. Approved garments are neatly folded, packed and sealed, ready for shipment in bulk or customized packaging. Once cleared, your order is dispatched, packed for protection and delivered on schedule, ready to enter global markets.